Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fun and easy snack that you can enjoy with your family. It is called banana sushi. And we're doing about bananas. We're learning about bananas this month, December. It's our focus fruit of the month, along with sweet potatoes, which is our focus vegetable. So this snack, we have it on our menu at our Head Start centers. Again, it's called banana sushi. And all you need is some bananas, whole wheat tortillas, and some peanut butter. And kids, you can follow along and you can help make this as well. It's very easy. So first, before we do anything, you have to make sure that you wash your hands. So I washed my hands before I started this. And then also, if you have long hair, make sure that long hair is up too. Whenever you're cooking, you want to make sure that your hair is tied back so you don't get anything in your food. Now all we do here, I'm going to put my video down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing, is we have a cutting board. Okay, we have a spoon, and we have peanut butter. And I just put peanut butter onto the spoon here, and you just spread it around that tortilla, just like this. At our centers, we use 2 tablespoons of peanut butter or something called wow butter. We use wow butter as an alternative because of food allergies. So you spread that peanut butter onto the tortilla. And there are substitutes, like I said, to peanut butter if there's an allergy. There's wow butter, there's soy butter, anything like that you can use on here. Then you just take your banana and you peel it. And you place that banana right there in the middle and you roll it up. You make a tortilla roll up. Very simple. Okay? So there is our banana tortilla sushi roll up. Now kids, you can help with this as well, but we need to make sure that we have safe knives. So I have these knives. They're dog knives. They're really fun. Don't do this at home either, but they're safe, parents, to cut with. So all you have to do then is you take this and you cut them into little tiny rolls. Okay, just like this. And I'm going to switch over to the one knife that is serrated a little bit. It'll make it a little bit easier to cut. My kids really enjoy this snack. They like anything kind of with peanut butter anyways, and they love bananas. So this is just a fun alternative, another way to eat a banana. And it's a very easy thing for kids of all ages that are learning how to cut and stuff to do this as well. A fun in the kitchen activity. So I would encourage you guys to make this together as a family and send pictures to me. Send pictures to Tri-Valley, the Tri-Valley website. And let's see pictures and videos of you guys all making this. And then you can enjoy them. Thank you all.